Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy M30 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alarm in Samsung Galaxy M30 smartphone. First of all, open clock in your phone. That is, click on clock icon in the home screen of your phone. Now you can edit available alarm, otherwise you can add alarm using plus symbol. Here set time for your alarm. In the repeat, you can select the days for which you want to repeat the alarm. You can select all the days or some particular days only. In the alarm name, you can give any name. This will be easy remembrance on what purpose you are going to set your alarm. Here I simply put class. So I have a class in this time. In the alarm sound, you can set alarm tone. This is like that of setting a ringtone. In the snooze, we can set the time for snooze. That is on how many intervals it should be repeated. And also turn off vibration if you wish. So in this way you can set alarm for your M30 smartphone. Finally click save. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.